Wow, look at that! It's a pile of red and blue Maritos, guys! Wadidaw! Let's check it out! Wow, so muddy, guys! Let's collect them, guys, and then we'll clean them up. Wow, a big truck, guys! Lots of trucks, rescue boats, superhero. Wadidaw, so amazing, guys! Almost done, guys! Last one. Let's go, guys. Let's start cleaning. The first one, guys. Wow, it's a big truck. Wadidaw, a big wheel excavator, guys. Wow, so amazing. Next. Wow, another big truck. Weedy, it's a container truck. Yes, it's big. Next, wow, looks like a racing car. Wow, 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 a blue racing car, guys. Wow, it's fast. Next, wow, looks like a superhero. Wadidaw, Ultraman Dark, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, another truck. Weedy, yellow cement mixer truck, guys. Wow, cool. Next, wow, it is a car. Wadidaw, it's Tamiya Car, guys. Wow, Tamiya in real life, so cool. Wow, looks like a rescue boat, guys. Wadidaw, it's Chase rescue boats, guys.
Chase is so by the books, he could be mistaken for a library.
Wow, so cool. Next, wow, Transformers. Wadidaw, it's Bumblebee rescue bots.
Autobot hero Bumblebee is a legend amongst the rescue bots.
Wow, a yellow cool robot. Next, wow, what is that, guys? It has a wings. Wadidaw, a Batman, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, looks like a truck. What kind of truck is this? Wow, wow, it's a garbage truck. Wow, so cool. Next, another rescue bot. Weedy, it's Heatwave, guys.
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, Heatwave, the hot-headed leader of the rescue.
Wow, a cool firefighter, guys. Next, wow, who is that, guys? Wadidaw, the leader of Optimus Prime, guys.
Autobot leader Optimus Prime has a message.
Wow, cool entrance. Alrighty, guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.